I got this NOVETE under-sink water filter sent to me to make a video about. All right, let's go ahead and open up the box and look at everything that comes inside of it. Comes with a little baggie here with the instruction manual. It's also got some little stickers here for the date, so that's pretty nice. I remember reading on the box that it says you should change the filter every year, so you can mark your date on there and you know when to change your filter. It also comes with a box of accessories. Comes with a water hose, so you get a water hose in the box. And then it comes with a bag of hardware. You get the little faucet there to connect to your water, your main water line, and you get a bracket here to mount to the wall, and you get the little water fittings, so it's got all the fittings in here. It also comes with a stainless steel faucet. There's two versions. Not only can you get two choices in color, you can also choose if you want the faucet or not. So if you already have a faucet on your sink, you can just use that. But if you don't have a faucet, you can get the version that comes with a faucet. It's got a nice stainless steel faucet with a nice handle on it. And it also comes with the stainless steel cover for the connector. And here's the water filter. It looks like it says it has a SGS certification, and then it's got all the different information on here. It's even got a little place right there for your date, so you can use your stickers there so you know when you installed it. And then it's got a place for the in hose on this side and a place for the out hose on that side. Looks like it's really easy to take apart. This is the filter right here, so that's it. It's just got this little piece here. This is where you connect it. You would take that bracket that comes in the hardware, and then you connect that bracket to the wall, and then put your hoses in here. One of them going up to your faucet here, and then the other part of the hose going to connect to your water line, and then you got the connector in here to connect to your water line. And then you just put this on here like that. Well, maybe not like that because that would be backwards, but you could do it that way if you want. Put it on like that, then you can see all your different information here, your date on when you changed it. So yeah, this thing looks pretty nice. And with that SGS certification, it filters out a lot of stuff too. So if you're looking for an under-sink water filter, this looks like a pretty nice one.